Have you ever been stuck with a frustrating error in Django, only to feel like you're chasing your tail? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue, the cannot resolve keyword error in Django. I totally understand how annoying it can be when your code seems perfect, yet you still encounter errors. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges, and it's completely normal to feel stuck. Let's look at the specific situation we're addressing today. One user reached out with a question about a Django error. Cannot resolve keyword word into field. They mentioned that their models and views are straightforward, yet they still encounter this issue. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this error? The issue often arises from incorrect field references in your queries. In this case, it seems like the keyword word is not recognized in the context of the filter method. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future. To resolve the error, the user should first check the filter syntax in the view. The keyword word should be replaced with word void, which is the correct field name for the foreign key relationship. Next, the user should ensure that the foreign key relationship is properly defined in the models. The user has already set this up correctly, but it's good to double-check that the foreign key in the explanation model points to the word model. After making these changes, the user should test the view again. They can do this by submitting a search term through the form and checking if the query retrieves the expected results without errors. If the user continues to experience issues, they should check the database to ensure that there are entries in the word model that match the search term. This can help confirm that the data exists for the query to return results. Fun fact, Django was named after the famous jazz guitarist Django Reinhardt. Just like jazz, coding can sometimes hit a few sour notes, but with practice, you can create beautiful music. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user points out that the foreign key field is named word void, not word. Therefore, the query should be adjusted to use word void instead. Here's the tip I promised. Always use the correct field names when querying related models. This small habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these adjustments, you should be able to resolve that pesky error. Remember, attention to detail is key in coding. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our next video, where we tackle more Django challenges.